Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. Here in this session, we are going to discuss about the basic pixel operations. So basic pixel operations, which are also called as point operations or point-wise mathematical functions. You can also call them point-wise mathematical functions or point operations, which is applied to every pixel in an image, in which each pixel is modified independently without considering its neighbor. So these operations are very simple, faster, and form the foundation of many image enhancement techniques. So the general format of the pixel operation look like g of xy equal to t of f of x of y. So this is what you can call a pixel operation can be explained mathematically like this. So this is a mathematical function for pixel operation where this f of xy is input image. This is f of xy function of x comma y is input image pixel value. This is input image pixel value, input image pixel value. And this g of xy, this g of xy is output image pixel value, output image pixel value. And this t is the transformation function, right? So each pixel is processed individually here. That is the general form of basic pixel operation. Now, if we talk about the types of basic pixel operations, then there are some kind of things like brightness adjustment for adding a constant C to every pixel. So the form would look like G of xy equal to f of xy plus C, right? Which is a constant here. Then contrast adjustment, that is multiplying every pixel by a gain factor of A or alpha, you can say. So G of xy equal to alpha multiply with function of x comma y. And image negation, which is going to invert the colors. So g of xy equal to 255 minus f of xy. So whatever color is there, it is just going to invert the colors. And thresholding is turning an image into binary, that is black and white, based on limit k. If f of xy is greater than k, then 1, else 0. Right? That is one of the things which you need to know. Now, if we talk about few more types of basic pixel operations, then the one such is image negation. That is what we can call like image. You can say that negative transformation also, which invert the intensity value also, highlight the detail of dark regions. So for which we can form the functions like g of xy equal to L minus 1 minus f of x comma y. These are the input values everywhere, right? F of x comma y. So this L is nothing but the intensity levels. For example, 256 for 8 bits, right? If it is 16 bits, then 2 to power 16. If it is 2 bit, then 1 bit, then 2, right? So this is 256. This L is nothing but intensity level, depends that what is the bit depth there. So the, for example, dark to light, for example, the intensity is dark, then it is going to convert it into light using this negation transformation. Or if it is light, it is going to do it into dark, right? That is the thing. So applications are like that, just like a medical imaging, X-ray analysis. These are the applications of this image negation. Right. Thereafter, brightness adjustment is also one of the figure. That is this first one, brightness adjustment. So what this brightness adjustment is there, right? So brightness adjustment. So if we talk about this, then in brightness adjustment, it adds or subtract the constant value which is C here. So for example, g of x comma y equal to f of x comma y plus c. So if c is greater than 0, that is if this constant is greater than 0, it means that the image is brighter, means we can adjust it. If the value of c is less than 0, it means that the image is darker. So that is what we can say the types of basic pixel operation can be performed. So pixel values are clipped to a valid range of 0 to 255, right? Now, contrast stretching is also one of the thing like contrast adjustments. In contrast adjustment, you know that it expands the range of intensity values. So it improves the visibility details, right? By applying the formula g of x comma y equal to alpha dot fx comma y, which alpha is a gain factor. So it is useful when the image is of low contrast, then we can utilize these mathematical functions. Then thresholding function is also there, which is going to convert grayscale into binary, right? This is the mathematical function for which it, right? So here you can say that for object detection or document processing, we can use it. Now, so in basic pixel operations, I think that this particular thing is you got understanding about this thing that required to be understood. So the it is basically one more thing that we can talk here is about logical pixel operations, which is performed on the binary images using the and or nots or used for masking and reason extraction from it, right? So the key characteristics of basic pixel operations are like they operate on the single pixels, do not depend on the neighboring pixels. Computation is simple and fast, and used for image enhancement and pre-processing kind of thing. So the basic pixel operations are point-wise image processing things, where each pixel is independently transformed using arithmetic or logical functions to enhance the image brightness or contrast or for extracting important features, right? So I hope this thing is clear to you all. Let's meet up you into the next topic discussion.